See, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Oh wait. I'm just gonna show it to the world, not you. This is a story about George. He's drank too much piss, and it's got the hiccups. Oh, put that on. This will be a fucking YouTube hit, mate. George, concentrate. To not wake up. Turn around to the camera. George, turn around. Come on. Oh, you got the sensibility to do that. Surely you can turn around with that hiccuping, you fucking idiot. Look at him. He's George's remedy for getting rid of hiccups is sculling more bullet bourbons. And at the moment he's so ashamed of himself, he's looking towards the wall.
Put this on the internet, I'm going to shoot you.
Only to your friends and our friends and the rest of the friends in the world.
Paul. I'm going to fucking be right around here and shoot you.
Mate, you could be famous, you could make millions out of this, dude.
What?
You could be famous. See, I've nearly talked you out of your hiccups. Oh, you pisshead. George?
Gonna kill you. Go YouTube, spoon, kill man, watch.
Bend to the bloody spoon. Don't